Hi everyone! Today we are going to make Hong Kong-style pineapple buns. They are classic pastries that you can find in any Chinese bakery. Despite the name, the pastry does not contain any pineapple. The name comes from the topping's resemblance to pineapple skin. It is a soft milk bread bun topped with a sweet, golden, crunchy and crumbly crust. Now let's get started. To make the dough, you will need these ingredients. We will use a stand mixer to make the dough. Place all the ingredients except for butter into the bowl. Mix them together on low speed until it forms a ball. Now add the butter and mix until it forms a smooth ball. If needed, you can add some flour to make it less sticky. Brush a little oil on the surface, then cover the dough and leave it somewhere warm until it doubles in size. This may take anywhere from 1 to 2 hours, depending on your room temperature. Now let's make the topping. These are the ingredients that you will need. In a big bowl, add the room temperature unsalted butter and use a silicone spatula to smooth it. Then add the icing sugar and mix until they're combined. Next, add the cake flour, milk powder, and baking powder, and mix. Add the vanilla and the beaten egg, mixing them well. Then knead it together by hand. Turn it over a work surface and continue kneading. Once the topping is smooth, divide it evenly into 12 pieces and round them out. Cover them and stick them in a refrigerator while we continue with the dough. The topping is now done. Once the dough is ready, divide it evenly into 12 pieces and round them out into bun shapes. Now we'll assemble them. Roll a piece of the topping out into a flat circle that is about 10 centimeters in diameter. Here's a tip. Roll the dough on a piece of plastic wrap. This makes the topping easy to peel off instead of sticking to your work surface. Carefully place the topping on the bun. To create a pineapple pattern, lightly run a knife over the pineapple crust without slicing all the way through. Then repeat those steps to cover the other buns. Once they're assembled, place them on a baking pan and set them aside for about 40 minutes. While you wait, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Before placing the buns in the oven, brush them with a mixture of beaten egg yolk and 1 teaspoon of milk. Then let the buns bake for 20 to 30 minutes, or until the buns are golden. And you're done! These buns should be soft and sweet, and the topping crunchy. Enjoy! Please like the video if you enjoyed the recipe, and subscribe for more traditional Asian recipes. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comment section.